Now on our Solana to our USD for the week, we would want to see where our price will be moving for the week. I'll be starting off with our daily time frame. On the long term, we are actually on a downward trend like this. Our price has actually been falling, by the way. So we've gotten to about one key level, which our Solana is trading about 32, right? We actually had our lowest point about for the year. Currently this year we hit our lowest around $24 to our Solana. We now add a retracement. This is it. We add this our 40 about 25, then we add a retracement to about 42, right? Guess what? If we are on a downward trend, when we have a pullback, then a drop, a pullback, a drop. Now that we've had a pullback, what we are expecting next is a drop. Exactly what we'll be seeing for this week. So all throughout this week, we would be hitting our lowest points we had for the week for this year, which was about 24, right? We hit our 24 this week. We would probably we would hit it about 24 and break below it and go down. So that is exactly what we are aiming for the week. Now that our price has hit this our 24, we would want to hit our 24, then we can actually aim for a breakdown. So about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we should hit our targets and possibly a little bit of a pullback, then a break below. Possibly this is how our price possibly would be paying out. When we hit our lowest point for the year, which was about 24, then we would have a pullback, a retracement, and a break below it. This is what we are aiming for the week, and we can see it on a full time frame. We can see we'll be aiming to hit about 18, and the lowest point next of our lowest point will be 18 is about 20, is about $20. The reason is that you can see it is one of our lowest points where price has reacted to. As we can see here, our price reacted here, change direction. It also reacted, it changed direction, also reacted here, so change direction. So definitely we would want to be seeing our price hit that our 20. But before that, let's break our or our about this our 24. About our 24, we hit our 24, have a pullback, break below it, straight downward to our 20. So if you are to take, if you are a swing trader, I would say trade for the week, maybe 1, 2, 3 weeks, we should be able to hit our 20. But for now, for this week, we are actually going to be having a fall. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you.